Times mountain bike like it's 1999. This is a muddyfox free ride, and I got it for free. Well, in fact, this thing had been left out for the Rag and Bowman, which is basically the scrap man in the UK. So it very nearly would have probably got scrapped. All they care about is the metal, and this thing has quite a lot of metal in it. So there is that. And talking metal, let's talk about the frame. So what's so insane about this thing is the gussets. Oh, the gussets. One here, one here, box section, box section. Got the V-brake, that's the V-brake mount. Right there. Big old machined piece welded in. On top of that, they decided to add a brake booster to stiffen the rear end up even more if you was using hydraulic V-brakes like Magura's HS33. The bottom here we have another gusset on the chainstays. This is all box section. The dropouts are 6mm thick aluminium. Well, frame's aluminium, but yeah, it's still 6mm thick. I believe it's 7075, might be 6061, I'm not sure off the top of my head, doesn't actually say on here anywhere. Now this one was built with some lower end parts, annoyingly. This is stock. I believe this is completely original to how it would have come out of the factory. We have a D&M, does not move, air suspension. Then all jokes aside there, you know, 110mm of travel, 110 DXL. Magnesium lowers, one piece cast magnesium lowers were things RockShox bragged about back then, or a year earlier with the Judy, so that's how that was. Yeah, they're grease lubricated forks like Suntours. That seems to be the thing with D&Ms. They always grab defeat from the jaws of victory. They basically by making things like inverted forks that are grease lubricated. Takes away the point of a inverted fork entirely. The whole point of an inverted fork is so the oil is on the seals and the thing's more supple. But anyway, I digress. This is not an inverted fork, but it is an air fork, and we can't, you know, get to the Schrader valve because it's under this adjuster. So mole grips on there because that ain't coming off my hand, lads. That's stuck on there pretty good. Don't know what's supposed to be on this side. Whatever it was, it's missing. Oh well. I guess we won't be needing that. We have Asmo bars, not Anzonic. Asmo, I think it's the in-house brand, probably a knockoff of Anzonic. We have 8-speed Shimano STI, Shimano Total Integration shifters, so you know, 8 times 3x8 system. Not oversized handlebars, 25.4. Kind of a small seat post really compared to modern standards. We have Well-Go pedals. I don't think these are factory on the basis they don't quite match the colour of the bike. Just you know. Oh, okay, someone's changed the crank at some point. That is a specialised crank set right there. So they wore the old one out, but the frame doesn't look like it's had. Yeah, got a bit of use, I suppose. We have a Sun Race rear derailleur. It's magnesium, but it's bragging about that. Right there. Sun Race, yep, magnesium, and this bit's plastic. We all know what happens to these. Nothing good. Oh, it's got a non-reusable link in the chain there, lovely. Yeah, KMC ones are far better than that. But overall, well, it looks like someone got a dull beaver to change their bottom bracket for them at some point, but you know, I think for free, I got a set of wheels as well with it, so, you know, I mean, it's just as well I got a set of wheels, because the front wheel, don't know if you can see that on camera, see it now? Yep. It's almost like they just gave up with the thing, and, yeah, that was it. She was destined to go to the scrapyard, but 1999 muddyfox free ride has been saved, and it's in safe hands, so very happy with that. I mean, it's scary to think this thing is 25 years old. I mean, yeah, it's technically not of my generation, but I rode a lot of used bikes as a kid, so you know, this is the sort of stuff that I got a chance to play with. Basically, a lot of the muddyfox frames were branded as Coyotes as well. They're designed by Steve Fenton. I'm not sure if this is a Steve Fenton design frame or not. I don't believe it was ever branded as a Coyote. It's sort of similar, but not similar to a Coyote Dual. Not similar enough to say yes, definitely for sure. But yeah, that's That's it, Muddy Fox. They used to make some really nice bikes back in the day, but now they just make Argos and Walmart rubbish. Thank you for watching.